Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated cookie stamps. One of the best ways to make certain that your baked goods stand out from the rest is by using cute and eye-catching cookie stamps. These little tools can go a long way in making your homemade cookies more memorable wherever you take them. There are plenty of designs and styles to choose from, so we've put together 7 of the highest rated cookie stamps in the market so you can take your pick after watching. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the cookie stamps that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first cookie stamp on our list is the FANGSUN cookie stamp. If you want personalized messages on your cakes and baked cookies, these letters and numbers cake biscuit mold from FANGSUN will definitely get the job done for you. The cookie stamp impresses are ideal for use with cookies, fondant cakes, sugar paste, petal paste, cake decorations, and many more. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the FANGSUN cookie stamp a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Sawtooth Cake Scraper. A wavy and sawtooth cake scraper is provided for spreading frosting on cakes and creating clean, sharp edges. Easy to use and clean. The cookie stamps have a spring inside, making it easy to make fun shapes for your fondant cakes and cupcakes. Food-grade material. It is made from high-quality food-grade plastic, which ensures safety and ease of use. Helpful grip handles. The cookie stamps come with grip handles that provide better cutting control when making impressions. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is slight indentation. Some of the letters come out with a slight indentation along the sides, but this is easily fixed by pressing on the fondant. The second cookie stamp on our list is the Nordic Ware cookie stamps. These cookie stamps from Nordic Ware are fun, very well made, and will definitely add something new to your holiday cookie baking. Perfect for all seasons and occasions, these cookie stamps will surely improve your baked goods reputation among friends and family. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Nordic Ware cookie stamps a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Classy wooden handles. The wooden handles provide a lot of stylish accents to these otherwise plain cookie stamps. Cast aluminum material. Made of cast aluminum material, these cookie stamps are sure to stand the wear and tear of regular year-long use. Numerous styles. With over 11 impression styles to choose from, you're sure to find something that will best fit every occasion. Simple and easy to use. The cookie stamps are easy to use, requiring only a little pressure to make perfect impressions. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is design shortcoming. The stamps can sometimes stick to the dough, so we recommend coating them with oil every time you use them. The third cookie stamp on our list is the Mobey cookie stamp. If you want to make your pastries more special and personal, then Mobey's alphabet cookie stamp tool set would be a perfect choice for you. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Mobey cookie stamp a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. All-in-one. Designed as an all-in-one set that can meet your every need, it includes an uppercase letter cake stamp, a lowercase letters cake stamp with numbers, a pattern cake stamp, and a back plate. Durable and reliable. Designed with high-quality transparent material for easy alignment, you can apply any food coloring ink on the letter according to your need. Easy to clean and reusable. Cleaning the stamps is very easy, as you can just wash with dish soap water. They can also be used unlimited times. BPA-free and safe. The cookie stamps are BPA-free, non-toxic, and made of food-grade silicone, so you can be sure to keep on using them for many years to come. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is no size options. If there is anything to nitpick about these cookie stamps, it's that there are no options for sizes. The fourth cookie stamp on our list is the HULISEN cookie stamps. These cookie stamps from HULISEN feature the same general look as Nordic Wares from earlier in this list. With special baked goodies molded from these beautiful stamps, you're sure to enjoy memorable birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays with family and friends all year long. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HULISEN cookie stamps a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 4 beautiful cookie stamp designs. The package includes 4 pieces of different 3-inch pattern cookie stamps with sunflowers, snowflakes, squares, and geometrical patterns. High-quality material. Made of cast aluminum stamps and strong wooden handles, these are very sturdy and durable. Easy to use. Perfect for a beginner baker, these cookie stamps are very easy to use. Make sure to chill the dough prior to use to avoid sticking. Perfect for gifts and holidays. Thanks to its classy designs, they make great gifts for your family and friends over the holidays. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is dough sticking. If you're having some trouble getting your dough to not stick, then we recommend brushing the stamps with a little oil. The fifth cookie stamp on our list is the KAISHANE cookie stamps. These silicone cookie stamps from KAISHANE are perfect for beginners and experts alike. They have a vibrant yellow color that will make your kitchen space bright and lively, so you're sure to fall in love with baking all over again. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the KAISHANE cookie stamps a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: food-grade material. Made of food-grade plastic material, these cookie stamps are safe to handle with food. Designed with safety in mind. They are BPA-free and meet USA, FDA, and European LFGB safety standards, ensuring that your food is as safe and healthy as it can be. Easy to use and clean. These cookie stamps are very easy to use and make for a great beginner cookie stamp kit. Simple storage. The handle can be used as a lid to tightly seal the round biscuit mold, allowing for easy and space-saving storage. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is no other color options. With just yellow option, you don't have the opportunity to get these cookie stamps in other colors that better suit your kitchen space. The sixth cookie stamp on our list is the WETOP cookie stamps. These cookie stamps from WETOP were clearly designed with making mooncakes in mind. They come with 6 pieces of cookie stamps, all with beautiful floral and oriental designs. Make sure to get these ready once Chinese New Year starts rolling around and impress your family and friends with perfectly appropriate baked goods. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WETOP cookie stamps a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: safe and reliable. These mooncake cookie stamps are made of ABS food-grade material that's BPA-free, which is 100% safe for the human body. Simple use. Making cookies with these stamps is very simple. Just gently press down on the mooncake or cookie dough and make it into a cute shape. Easy to clean. These cookie stamps are fairly easy to clean, so you can enjoy easy cleanups after a tiring afternoon of kneading and baking. Multifunctional. Not just perfect for making mooncakes, these cookie stamps are also perfect for making pumpkin cakes, cookies, pastries, bath bombs, and much more. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is small design. With a 1.8-inch diameter, these cookie stamps can be a little small for some of your baking needs. The 7th cookie stamp on our list is the HAGBOU cookie stamps. For lovers of cherry blossom trees and flowers, you're sure to fall in love with this beautiful cherry blossom cookie stamp set from HAGBOU. We would like to highlight the cookie stamp set's distinct cherry blossom pink color that's become a trademark to the tree and its synonymous Japanese flower viewing custom. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HAGBOU cookie stamps a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: premium material. Adopting food-grade ABS plastic material allows these cookie stamps to be perfectly safe and healthy for the human body. Assorted 4 styles. There are 4 flowers press designed so you can make distinct styles of cherry blossom cookies for your family and friends. Easy to clean. Being made of plastic material that's relatively easy to clean, you can rest assured that cleanups will be a breeze after every baking session. Quick to demold. The cookie stamp's internal polishing allow for easy demolding, so you don't have to worry about sticky dough getting in dreaded corners. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is bite-sized design. Its small bite-sized design can be a little too small for some people, so keep that in mind when purchasing this cookie stamp set. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated cookie stamps, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next cookie stamp roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.